Alright guys, I would have showed you more footage yesterday, but I left the GoPro on for the time and it completely went out of battery and I had to recharge batteries and stuff. So anyways, new day. We're in Farmington, Farmington, New Mexico.
North Mexico.
Yeah, I was gonna say North Mexico. Yeah, exactly. And we shot at the Bisti Badlands last night and did the Alien Throne. The hike there was a little bit interesting because we did not scout it out before, because we've never been here. Have you?
Nope.
And so then either one of us been here, and we did it at night. The All Trails app and everything does give a pretty good thing through it though. So if you have the All Trails app and want to go to it, check it out. It's pretty neat. All right, anything you want to say?
Stay warm out there. It was cold last night.
It was. We got to like freezing. So it was. Got to like freezing. So. Okay guys, we're scouting locations for tonight and we see a few problems right now, so we're going to kind of go over them with you. Well, first of all, we're going to show you what we're going to try to photograph tonight, and it's going to be the Milky Way over this big rock that's out here. It's called Shiprock. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see it. Alright, so that's what we're trying to photograph with the Milky Way over it tonight. But as you notice, when I turn this around, there were clouds there. If them clouds don't move, we're gonna have a problem shooting stars tonight. So, thoughts, Tim?
Pray to the anti-rain gods. Make these clouds go away for us. Even though by the time you see this, it'll be history, but yeah.
If you see a shot of it after this little thing, it means we got the shot.